Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to use Google Docs email draft building blocks to export messages directly into Gmail. First, open your document in Google Docs on your desktop web browser. Click on the exact position on your page where you want to insert the email draft layout. Type the @ symbol on your keyboard to trigger the inline Smart Insert menu. Type Email Draft into the search box and select Email Draft under the Building Blocks section. Alternatively, you can go to the top menu bar, click on Insert, hover over Building Blocks, and click on Email Draft. An interactive email draft template card will immediately appear inside your document with dedicated fields for to, CC, BCC, subject, and message body content. Click on the dedicated person or type the @ symbol followed by a contact's name or email address and select your recipients directly from your contacts list. Click into the subject field and type the subject line for your email message. Click into the main body area below the subject line to compose your message, formatting your text with bolding, links, bullet points, or custom layouts. You can share the document with team members to collaborate on, review, and refine the email text together before sending. Once your message is ready, look at the top left corner of the email draft block card and click directly on the blue Gmail icon labeled Preview in Gmail. A pre-filled Gmail Compose window will instantly launch over your document screen, automatically transferring every field entry and text format into an active Gmail draft. Review the populated email message inside the pop-up window, make any final adjustments if needed, and click Send to deliver the email directly from your Gmail account. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.